this Taco Tuesday, we're gonna make it a little kid-friendly, and we've got some Doritos, because you know, kids of all ages love Doritos. I've got 2 pie crusts here and some refried beans or a bean dip, and I've got half of a bag of crushed Doritos. This is 1 pound of ground beef, and just mush this into a layer. Using this Kinder's, I'm using the taco blend, but this one has lime and ancho chili. So I'm gonna get that smoky flavor in there. If you have a favorite taco seasoning, let me know in the comments, because I'm trying all of them. Kind of push that down as well. So some jalapeno cheddar sauce. You use a nacho cheese if you want, and do that as a layer. I love layered dishes. They're so easy to make, and they're so fun to make too, because you can like keep adding different layers if you want. Spread this out. Set this right here. Take a bowl. We're gonna get, this is an 8-ounce tub of sour cream, and we're gonna be adding 1 cup of mayo to that. Kind of like how you make a dip. Your favorite kind of salsa, I'm just using a chunky salsa, and we're just going to be adding half of a cup. This is a drained can of super sweet corn and a 2-cup bag of this Mexican blend cheese. So the whole 2-cup bag right in there. Mix this together. And then this mixture is going to go right on top of all that cheese. Spread that around. A 2-cup bag of this taco blend, which is a blended cheese with taco seasonings already inside. So we're doubling up on the taco seasoning. Once the cheese is spread out, the rest of those crushed Doritos. Now you can change this up and use, you know, Cool Ranch Doritos if you want. I'm using this traditional old school Doritos bag. Remember these? And brings back memories. Got some, this is 1 stick of melted butter. Pour this all over the top. Our final touch is I've got these pickled jalapenos. And then this is gonna go into a 375-degree oven for about half an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and cut into this casserole. Let me get this out of here. Woo, very cheesy. The taco seasonings. Hot. If you like those Doritos Locos tacos from Taco Bell, just taste just like it. Oh my God, you totally need to make these. The kids are gonna go bonkers.